Dean, how's he feeling?
Yes, really good.
Suction everywhere.
Yep.
Painful?
No, it's nice. It's just alright.
Not as bad as tattoo, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Now, Dean, how's he feeling now?
Yeah, it's really good.
All
You
the
can feel it working.
Toxins coming out.
Yeah.
No more migraine, no more headache.
No.
How's your neck?
Absolutely fine.
Pain is gone?
Pain is gone.
No more pain?
Nope.
You couldn't do that before?
Couldn't do that. Could have just get to about there. But
Now, all good, yeah?
all the way.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.